One of the best parts of traveling is experiencing great food and drinks. Now, a new collection of recipes from around the world is available just in time for the holidays. Joining us is world-famous sommelier and lifestyle expert Belinda Chang, who has teamed up with MasterCard to be one of 50 contributors on a cookbook called From the World to Your Home. Welcome to the show.
I think it's so much fun. You know, we're all finding ways to connect and be together in so many new ways. And MasterCard's always been fantastic at creating these extraordinary culinary experiences for us. You can find a lot of them at priceless.com, including this one. This is a downloadable digital cookbook. Some of my chef friends from all over the world, Spain, Sweden, South America, and of course the United States, have contributed some of their favorite recipes. And this is a great chance to find some new things for your holiday celebration, including my frosé recipe, which is a cocktail contribution to this fun collection. So this cookbook is for all MasterCard holders, and you just need to go to priceless.com. You can download all 50 recipes in several languages, actually. So if you want to do a French holiday or a Spanish holiday, you can do that as well. And easy peasy, you'll find my frosé recipe and some of the other recipes I mentioned and all kinds of fun stuff that'll be fun to share with friends and family.
All right, thanks for the great ideas. Delicious. And for Northwest Lifestyle, I'm Nicole DeCosta.